why is it so important for me to make bread, and what does that say about who I am as a person, and what are other people's relationships with this thing that's so central to me?
The idea that you would go to a school like Bates and take a cooking class feels really foreign to people, and I think that's rooted in a certain kind of classism, because it's all really political, and it's a question of class and it's a question of race. King was such an advocate of labor rights, but also food justice and food rights. So bread and the question of who has it and who does not always feels especially appropriate on today.
When we have food, when we make food, it creates this community that we come together, we eat together, we talk together, we make it together. But you walk into a kitchen and you smell the garlic or you smell the cinnamon, and you just have this gut reaction of, okay, I know this and this feels familiar. Not a lot of things have the ability to, reach so many people, but at the same time be so individual.
There's something about cooking that I think in baking that empowers students to go out in the world and feel like they can feed themselves and carve time out of their day to attend to something that isn't work or the television or TikTok. So it's important to me, and I think I would love to see in higher education in general food and cooking food being taken more seriously as both an art form and as something worthy of study.